Before we get into this video, I just want to say thank you for all the love recently. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting. I seriously love you guys. We are so close to 200 subs, so scroll down below and hit the sub button and leave a like too. Why not? Thank you again. I love you guys. All right, let's get into this video. Hello. We are currently in Venice Beach. So you're just acting like I got the microphone like that. We're in Venice Beach right now. Same squad as yesterday. The boys came out here. Maybe get a little live. This is purely in my hand for aesthetic purposes. I will not be drinking since my HP bar is still recovering from last night. I don't know what the plan is tonight, but there's some sort of reservation at 9:15. So in a little bit of time. First time here in LA. Maybe we'll get stupid. I don't know. We'll see. We made it into Bell's. I don't know, we're right on Venice though. We're at the club, but I'm a little hungry. Ended up getting the burger. The vibe in here is pretty chill though. It's a pretty nice little spot. DJ's going crazy. I'm about to enjoy my burger and we'll see where the night goes from there. I am not drinking though. I don't know if I'm drinking or not. Let's get the hell out of here, man. Oh, sorry, brother. Holy, look at this line, bro. All right, we just hopped out of this place. Honestly, we were just chilling there anyway. We were just, yeah, we just popped out. Literally, we're just kind of chilling, vibing on the couch, hanging out. The line here is fucked. Look at this. Oh, it wraps around, eh? Holy. We're gonna go see the actual beach here. We're right by the actual beach. Hold up. Holy, look at this mess. Holy fuck. I know my wrist can't. We're out here at Muscle Beach. It's super dead. We've just been walking around since we popped out of the club. We went to the basketball courts back there as well. But honestly, this place is kind of scary at night. Like the whole like Venice boardwalk and everything is just creepy as hell. But anyways, the rest of the boys, I think they're still at that original club. But so we ended up coming to a new club now. Absolute mess though. Having to rub up against everybody just to get in here. Fucking hell, I hate these places. Hey, but it looks like they're getting active, so. What?
Don't do no running.
I'm here with my boys. Yeah.
IVO.
That's right. We just did a quick little,
boys.
Yes, sir. We just did a quick little street interview. Whenever it comes out, I'm sure you'll find it. But
we have a microphone.
Hey,
we have a microphone with
real deal. They bought the creator bundle. We're just waiting outside the club right now. Bobby, start this motherfucker, bro. What are you waiting for?
Go, Bobby.
Ladies, hop in.
What's up, boys?
What's going on, my brother? How are you?
Oh, fuck. Videos?
This is for a professional channel.
Love that.
Say hi.
Go on, lads. Have a good night.
You as well, brother. Wrapping up the night now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hop in the car, get out of here, go back to OC, and then hopefully never come back to the spot again. Allegedly, actually, they're closing the shit soon, so a little bit of a historic night. But here come the boys. All right, love y'all. See y'all tomorrow. Good afternoon. It is 1:30. I am walking down Sunset Boulevard right now. Today's gonna be a LA day. We're here in LA right now. Gonna walk around. We're actually starting the day with some Roscoe's chicken and waffles. I have not tried this chicken and waffle spot yet. Probably just gonna do a bunch of the generic touristy things and then we'll see where we go from there. But anyways, we're pulling up right here. Just finished up with the Roscoe chicken and waffles. God bless America. We are at a legendary spot. If you've been into any kind of extreme sports, this place needs no introduction. This is Hollywood High behind me. We're gonna cross the street now and have an actual proper look at it, but oh my, we're here. With the 180. Okay. That's the one. So we just made it here now, Hollywood Boulevard. We're walking around. Actually behind me right now, we got the Chinese theater. It's an absolute mess here, middle of the day. There's so many people. Hold on, check this out. So you got your Mickey Mouse right here, and not too far from him, you got Michael Jackson. And then there's this dude. Also, I'm pretty sure this is actually where they filmed Jimmy Kimmel. Somebody to fact check me on that. That's pretty much it. The place is kind of overrated, but I guess like you do kind of have to see it. So many people here though. Everyone's trying to sell you something. Everyone's trying to give you something. You know how it goes with these little tourist trap spots, but Hamza's filming over here. I might hop in here though and see what's going on. All right, we made it here, Beverly Hills now. We're gonna go take some pictures of the sign, do a little lap around, see what's going on. Beautiful day here today. Then after that, we're going straight to Rodeo and maybe go to Santa Monica for a little sunset. But yeah, we made it. We're walking right now. Don't mind the protests going on behind me. We're walking right now and it's actually pretty beautiful here. I really like this area. Ah, damn. Hold on. I'll continue this clip after. Joe, how you enjoying your designer cookie?
Amazing.
And what about you? How you enjoying your designer hot chocolate?
It's so hot, I haven't even got a real sip yet.
We just hopped into Ferragamo. Got a little hot chocolate and a cookie.
$500 cookie.
We cashed out. Yeah, put it up. I don't even have to tell y'all anymore. Is wrapping up here. We're catching the sunset at Santa Monica Pier. This is kind of a legendary spot. First time here for me. Very beautiful. End of Route 66. Check this out. As usual, it is packed like all the other places here today, but we're here to enjoy the vibes, catch a little sunset. It is getting chilly, so yeah, that's how the day's wrapping up so far. Like that, I think we'll wrap everything up here for the LA day trip. That was the little generic LA trip. I do have one more thing that I want to complete. I do want to go to the Hollywood sign. So I don't know, maybe the last day we might do a little, we got a little something planned. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I mean, what you see online is what you see in here. I will say it was a little overhyped, like seeing all these attractions in person, Venice and Santa Monica's, especially Hollywood Boulevard. But again, it's one of those places that you got to see. We've had a great little day here. That's it. LA, I'm out of here.